I'll give you a description and I want you to guess which word fits best. Are you ready? Let's go. She loves meeting new people and chatting with everyone. She is very, he often helps his friends with their problems. He's so, she doesn't talk much in large groups and is a bit, he's always telling jokes and making everyone laugh. He's, she has dark hair and is quite tall. She also has beautiful. Here are your answers. She is very sociable. He is so helpful. She is a bit shy. He is funny. She has dark hair and is quite tall. She also has beautiful blue eyes. That's it for today. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Okay, keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.